Welcome to another step-by-step maintenance guide for the Pro X robot. In this video, we'll walk through maintaining the hoses and spray system either before or after using the robot.
Okay, so why do I need to do this?
That's a great question, because proper maintenance matters. This guide is designed to prolong your robot's lifespan and ensure the highest level of performance every time you use it. Step 1. Check the pressure valve cap. If the pressure cap is loose, it can reduce the system's pressure. Check it with your hand, and if it is, gently turn it to the right until it's secure. Don't over-tighten it. Step 2. Check the screw and the rubber gasket. The gray plastic screw should be tight. If it's loose, gently turn it to the right by hand until it's secure. But don't over-tighten it. You can use a screwdriver if you prefer, but it usually isn't necessary. Don't forget to check the rubber gasket. Over time, it can get covered in paint, so make sure it is even all the way around and not damaged. Step 3. Make sure the spray tool is secure. Sometimes the spray tool can come loose or get bumped, causing it to sit unevenly on the frame. To fix this, locate the two locking screws, and using a TX20 screwdriver, you can tighten them. While tightening, gently press down on the top to keep the spray tool in place. If the spray tool is leaning to one side, you can correct it by loosening the locking screw. It should then drop naturally, or you can gently press it down until it's level. Once it is aligned, tighten the locking screw again. The spray tool should sit evenly with the compartment that holds the paint canister. Step 4. Inspect all hoses and connectors. You can do this while the hoses are still attached to the robot, but removing them can make the job easier. To remove the hoses, locate the one connected to the pump and disconnect it. Then the entire hose setup can be removed as one piece. Now you'll want to check for two main things. Number 1, the connectors and hoses are airtight. Make sure they're clean, free of debris, and securely pushed together. And number 2, that the hose ends are still flexible and pliable. If the ends have hardened, they may not form an airtight seal and should be replaced or trimmed. Here is a quick demonstration of how the hoses and connectors join together. To connect them, simply push the hose into the connector until you feel a slight pressure. This means it's locked in place and won't come out. To release it, press the small plastic ring on the connector. It's easiest to do this by placing 2 fingers around the hose and gently squeezing the ring in. The hose should then slide out. Okay. If you need any additional help or information, please reach out to our support department at support@tinymobilerobots.com. Or alternatively, you can find more resources at help.tinylinemarker.com. That's everything for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.